The rain is also so heavy. Now now we can only blame it on the rain.
पावसूच मोठो पडलो म्हणतो की आम्ही पावसाकूच ब्लेम करचे पडले हे म्हणणे मिनिस्टर बाबूश मोन्सेरात हांचे। एक दिसाच्या पावसान स्मार्ट सिटी जाली अंडर वॉटर सिटी। स्मार्ट सिटीचे काय मुखेल असे रस्ते उदका पोना, सगळीकडेन जाले ट्रॅफिक जॅम। 18 जून रोड, दयानंद बांदोडकर रोड, सांताक्रूज, कामराभाट सगळे बुडले पावसान। मिनिस्टरान सांगिल्ल्या प्रमाण रेनबो आणि पावस दोनूय पणजेकारांनी पयले, मात ह्या पावटाक खंयच रस्ते बुडचे ना आणि पणजेकारांक कसलीच अडचण जावची ना। सगळे ड्रेन साफ केल्यात, जाका लागून ह्या पावट पणजेचे रस्ते बुडचे ना अशें तांणी लोकांक आश्वासन दिल्ले, मात ते खरे थारले ना अशी पणजेकारांची कागाळ। पावसा पयलीं दिल्लें आश्वासन पावस पडल्या उपरांत शेळेले। पावसूच मोठो पडलो जाल्यार कोण कितें करपाक शकता, कितें जाता तें पळोवया अशें म्हणत मंत्री बाबूश मोन्सेरातान लोकांच्या प्रश्नांची जाप दिली।
So smart city condition is very worst. What do you like to say?
The rain is also so heavy. Now now we can only blame it on the rain. Now let us see. We will see. It is a testing time. We will come to basically know what went wrong or what is wrong as far as the smart city works are concerned.
इतलो अमाउंट स्पेंड करून रेनाचो उपाय जावचो म्हणून इतलें इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर बिल्ड केला ना।
That even I feel. Now let us see what happens.
So, but
let us see whatever the mistakes have been committed. Let us try to rectify them.
But how long the people should wait?
No, I cannot tell you anything right now. So let us assess whatever happens after the month.
So but condition is very worst.
तुम्ही म्हटलेले तुमकां जर रेनबो पळोवपाक जाय जाल्यार पावस सहन करचो पडटलो म्हणून। पावस
still I
तर रेनबो दिसोना, पावस येवन सगळे बुडले।
So that's the reason I said rainbow comes. Still I have not seen rain. Okay.
So any patchwork at least all the
this patchwork and all cannot be done now in the monsoon. If patchwork
jet patcher
jet patcher, I don't know what is the state of the jet patcher. See, listen to me. Just putting the rubbers and all around, that is the only thing. What is the solution? Temporary solution. But back again, the rain is so heavy. Back again after the things start coming out. So now and then basically we have got to do this.
So responsibility fix करताले ना स्मार्ट सिटी वकाची।
See, what I am trying to say, whoever the contractor has been given the work, it is clearly in the tender must have been mentioned what is the quality of the work. So let that assessment take place after. Now it is wherever whatever thing has been damaged which has been done by the contractor, that the MD will assess. So then responsibility will be taken.
Bad work contractor responsible or consultant? Planning, quality check सगळे consultant check करतात।
See, consultant is the fellow who was supposed to look after the as far, because he is the fellow who sanctions the final bill. You understand? So as per the
design
work, as per the work which has been taken place, so it is basically the responsibility of the consultant itself.
So DB रोड मातसो एवॉइड करा, आम्ही पयलीं सांगलेलें। आता एक टुरिस्ट गाडी त्यांनी होणक्यान घातली हांगासर, तो उदकाचो तेका अदमास कळोंक ना। ही पळया सांतिनेज क्रीक कशी बुडलेली आसा, ती ओवरफ्लो जाता। मी आसा आता बांदार सांताक्रूज हांगासर। तुम्ही पळोवंक शकता कामराभाटाची स्थिती आता।